Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to yet another video for Cryptopocalypse Now. My name is Crypto Ranger, and in today's episode, we are making very quick gains on a tiny little position here on Bitcoin that is super volatile, but is going to give us a nice profitable return on the day. As a matter of fact, I wanted to get into the stream, well, not the stream, sorry, I just woke up video sooner, but I couldn't. But within seconds, 0.58 of the account here for your enjoyment. Let's review a couple of things here. Yesterday's stream was all about basically getting in around here. We said that after this initial impulse, which was a MEXC impulse, let's label that with MEXC prep signals. The MEXC impulse in the platoon, we said that this is a continuation signal, but there's a way for us to get in on this. And as you can see, there's a signal right here on the pyramid dot baseline retest, and also where I drew the line, got rid of it since, but drew the line where we were supposed to place our bid order. We got in multiple instances of basically the same. You could have gotten in here multiple times in a row and took profit and got in again, took profit, got in again. And there's a second impulse right here, right after the pyramid. Very powerful signal here. And we went long. Okay, we went long and we continued going up. Had the flag, and here's our exit signal that was generated over here. So from this entry to about here, you made your 400 points, which is at the time was 3 or 4 times the ATR on the 15-minute time frame. Now, since then, we started to trend below the baseline, losing colors of the candles, and they're shifting over. Bearish signal 1, bearish signal 2, close below the main purple line. Long / take profit short signal, but entry for me against all baselines. This impulse up, short position on the bearish triangle, another little diamond in here, I don't know if you can see it, and got in with a little position on limit order, captured this candle, got the hell out, 0.5% of the account. And just now I started streaming to show you that this is where you activate your market maker, your chaser. We're kind of late because it already went away. This is good volatility. This is the only time I use the market maker or chaser functions in order to capture this kind of price action. But yeah, and we're up to 1%. We're going to have a curve up over here. Let's wait for it to go lower. Now, according to the plan that we established yesterday and I shared with you, this was your first take profit target from our entry down here. We took profit, then we had to pull back to HC to just about here. Got a bull signal above the baseline. Everything's looking fine. Came up, stops situated right here. Started going up, and yeah, you have your ATR based 100% guaranteed. No such thing. Yes, there is. And it's called MarketSpy. And we had a real a comparison between two traders who, one of them would get in at the impulse of the candle and see a continuation, or maybe draw their conclusions here, whether it's a failed setup or a continuation, where you, the scalper that understands this, would be sitting at HC of this move. Remember, it is from here to right here. And so those are your bids, limit orders down to the baseline. You get in, you get 90% out. It stays here, you get in again, jumps up, oops, signal, no need to get out 90%. Wait for it, boom, 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 flag, take profit, right? And then you were faced with a bearish signal. This is a very, very clean short signal on MarketSpy. We know that in this trending downward environment, we have always taken out the lows. They're not safe, but we always fail to take out the highs. So your entry anywhere here and your stop loss right here and another stop loss right here. You can have a double stop loss. And then, yeah, entry to go for a short based on the impulse up into the baselines. No go, bearish print, instant money. And now we're scaling in. We actually made another 0.5 just there. And this is strictly to demonstrate, because I was enjoying my coffee and then I had the alerts at the lows over here telling me that, you know, it's time to get out. So we took out the lows, profit taking, and now you're seeing a little bit of volatility here. This is where you want to activate your market maker slash chaser for most products. So 1 hour is plenty. You don't need to go beyond that, but just to be safe, you know, play with 2. No, we're going to keep it at 1 hour because we already spilled and this is not sustainable. So let's get in. Our take profit are 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute ATR, 15 minute ATR, and we should be making some money just there in a few moments. We'll round it off at 1% and we're going to step the hell back. Our day is finished. Obviously, if you have multiple accounts, you can manage those and maybe make a little more if you're trading in tandem versus one long, the other one short, but rather 2 different risk profiles for each account. And yeah, okay, so we're doing really good. Trading this yesterday, we did say that most likely we're going to go. One of our traders by the name Mr. Bitter actually drew a very nice squiggly line where they indicated basically perfectly illustrated what the move was going to be most likely, and they nailed it. So that's another benefit of keeping an eye on Discord and seeing what goes on in there, because that could translate to money for you. So we have very active hyper traders who are keeping an eye on this 24/7. For me, it's when the volatility kicks up, when I have a very clean, noise-free signal that gives me a pump into a short entry, is when I start getting really excited about all of this. So yeah, okay, let's give it another 30 minutes and then we'll close the trade. Hit our target and just go home. So bear with me. This video, I wanted to make it short to get the point across and to do a trade review, just because I was around and I slept well and this coffee is strong as hell, and so I jumped on it and I said, you know what, we gotta capture this because there's an opportunity right there. Except the spill kind of happened too fast. OBS, startup times and everything, but it's okay. You get the point. Okay, let's wait for it. This is going at 1x pretty much. 1x. Now if it slows down and starts to just die off, I'm gonna end the recording. But the main point that I wanted to get across is this, right? Stick with your plan. You can see how perfectly. Now many people may look at this and be like, it doesn't make any sense. Yeah, because you guys don't know, but this is the most powerful indicator in the world, basically, because it has rules and strategies that are that always make you money, always perform, no matter what, and always keep you safe. If shit goes wrong, you have your stops. You know exactly where to place them. You know exactly what distance you need to hold. You know when the move is coming. So, for those of you watching, if you're not part of this experience, you're Stop doing this to yourself, please. But yeah, Discord, we will follow up on this video and I'll answer your questions for everyone who's still doing a deep dive on MarketSpy, trying to understand what this is. These are this is a video to follow up to our last night's stream that we did inside of Discord. How does 35K sound here? Would you like to see that? Yeah, me too. And so you will. So you will. No, I'm not kidding. I'm aiming for 35. I'm gonna give you a little breakdown of what goes into the thinking here. Let's zoom out, shall we? So never mind all this. These bubbles are my trades. Just want to keep track of where I was. And no, the above ones are shorts. The below ones are longs. I know, right? God damn you, CR. We'll get you. Roaming souls of YouTube. To be a trader that you always wanted to be. You just have to subscribe, like, and share with your family and friends. You know the deal. Yeah, in the meantime. Steady as she goes. Hey guys, we'll be taking profit along the way. How does that sound? The number one thing that many people miss out on is taking profits on time. All right, when price is hesitating, when volatility dies off, such as right now, you're pushing 0.5 ticks and you're struggling and you're ripping your muscles. You're like, ah! Bitcoin is crapping out. Yeah, this is not the place where you hodl. This is not the place where you hodl. Yeah, this looks very agitated right here, and I am not risking my balls on this candle. 35k, I'll take it. Here, I'm out like a rabbit as fast as I can. 90%. To hell with you. Didn't get picked up again. Click it, spam the sell button as many times as you can, because what you're picking up from the bottom there is not really selling on the market. It's not as fast as we'd like. We're spoiled children here at Cryptopocalypse now. We want instant profits, but with delayed gratification, meaning we give it time and space, but when the time is right and the space is tight, we execute and we expect to be in profit the next candle. No exceptions. If it's not, I'm a spoiled kid. I'm not interested in the trade. We de-risked. Price is dipping. 25 miserable points below entry. Even that is unacceptable. But our risk allows us to just go 1,000 points below and never be hurt. Consistently hitting price targets that are 35 is my next, 0.1 to 1% a day is my stable, and there's no other way to do this if you want to survive long term and actually make a living trading. Hopefully these demonstrations get you on the right. Technically, I did not have a trade today. Remember, this is a live account, but it's our educational account, so we can afford to to trade when when I'm not supposed to be trading, when I'm not in the mood, or I am not 100% available for the day. And so, yeah, as promised, trade closed. Can we continue holding? Remember, your market maker is very tight, 354. Why? You're allowed to do so because of these candles. These are not normal, regular, sustainable candles. And you can expect a little bounce here. And these bounces are between 100 to 1,000 points, right? $500 tiny little candles on a 5-minute chart. I mean, what more do you need? It's you just have to execute at the right time, not within yesterday, inside of this miserable range. We said that we can squeeze the most out. A couple of long signals here, we got in on the retest. Long signals here, got in on here. Bullish signal here for upward continuation trade. HC baseline retest, bullish signal, check. Second attempt, no diamonds, entry, check. Bullish continuation signal, check. ATR captured, check. Flag, took profit, chilling. Boom, lost the baseline. Setup, fundamentally something's different here. It's changed. Attempt, rejection. Attempt, second, baselines, bearish sign. Below all baselines, closing multiple candles. Get in. Spiller. You're in the money. Could have gone bigger. Could have gone 1x on this. But then you have a little spill and you just add to it. The wick, It's a little demand area. A little up and down area, which means we can buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. We activate market maker. Done, right? We're gonna get this to 1% with you guys. Let's restart it. And then we're gonna end the video. Sorry it's too long. You'd appreciate this if you were trading for real for 16 hours a day. Because if you don't have 2 screens, you should invest in 2 screens. 2 monitors to help you stay on top of things. What is this Mandalorian music doing? What is it doing to us? Yeah, don't worry, it's a long. Price is dumping. It's a long. Cryptopocalyptics, the platoon, they know. Do you? Do you know that this is a long? A knife that you can catch, and the market will thank you for supporting it with your, for providing the liquidity. Bitcoin is pissing itself right now. Your job is to accommodate and support it. Support it with bids. Hey, be the support you want to see in the world. All right, be the support line that you want to see Bitcoin bounce on. Sacrifice your bids in order for Bitcoin to bounce. Like, if everyone's just watching and saying, "Where's the support?" What are you doing? Create the support that you want to see in the world. Because that's what I'm doing. And the market, in a couple of seconds, will say, "Thank you, CR. It's very noble of you. I do want to go lower. But before I do that, here's a 15-minute ATR profitable candle as a token of gratitude." See, me and Bitcoin, we go back. We understand each other. I never cheated on it with other assets. Altcoins, only when it's sleeping. Deep in its slumber, do I go out every once in a while and look at altcoins. Other than that, no. This is my partner here. All right, Biddy, I'm done. I'm the support that you were looking for. And show me what you got. Like I said, we get to 1% and then we're out. It's dumping. How else are you going to get filled if it wasn't dumping? Who's going to fill your bids? We complain when prices going out. We're like, we're not getting any fills in the bull market. And then when it's finally dumping, I want to get a fill in. We're like, oh, it's dumping too fast. I don't want it to dump that far. Dumps is when you make money, not stupid ranges. Because dumps, you can just kind of it's a slaughterhouse, right? Traders are killing each other here in this range. Market makers, everyone's going nuts. You just blend in, spread your orders out, market make your way to the top, get to the 1% and get the hell out. Simple. So watch the magic unfold as we close this trade to its 1% on the daily for the portfolio. Does this happen every day? No. Soon there will be a range that is going to be prolonged and then a pump that is going to be prolonged. So we can trade with decent size up to 1x and hold it and be on the right side of the market. Right now we're building up. We're building up. Go, go, go. Notice how this is basically 90-10. So if we have 40% at 1 minute ATR, we're very safe. Oh, you exited too early, CR. You exited way too early. But I exited and I'm in profit. And I'm almost up to my 1% target. I have discipline. I don't care. What do you think about that? Exiting early, I don't care. I would rather be out of the market than wishing I was out of the market. 99% are wishing they were out of their position. Me, I make it happen. I'm out of my position. And I'm happy about it. I'm buying the spills and I'm happy about it. I've been waiting for the dump. I have a plan. Sweeping the lows of the previous range. I know below is when we buy. I'm happy about it. Bitcoin doesn't scare us. It cares for us. It provides discounts. But it doesn't matter how big the spill or the pump is. Your aim is to make a consistent return all day. Some days it's extremely boring, extremely choppy. So you trade with boring, choppy size and you take profit even faster than this. But you achieve the same. You achieve pretty much the same thing. All right, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. We have 28,000. Let's de-risk a little bit. Let's take 70% out. Okay? Let's take 70% out. It's pumped up to 100, came back to 60 from entry. And let's de-risk a little bit. Okay? All right. Now we can start adding more because we got those bids. Otherwise, we just wait for the 15-minute ATR. It's not much. Why would you de-risk? Why wouldn't I? We're at 1% almost. The rest of these orders, when they close, this video is over. And the point I wanted to get across is this, you do your daily routine, whatever, morning thing. You wake up, you get to this, get yourself a nice little cup of coffee or whatever the hell you're into, tea. Let this thing go up. Take profit on those ATR points. A follow-up to last night's stream. For those of you guys who were there to check it out, you remember what we talked about and the strategy and how perfectly this played out. Perfect entry opportunity based on a repeatable system that just gives and gives and gives and gives. And it's visually so easy to see. It's like, yeah, I get it. Do you? Because if you do, you're like one of our traders, like Muslim Crypto there. Coming out 300% in profit at the end of the year. Rivaling Kathy Wood. What are you talking about? ARK Invest versus one of our traders. Using the methods of MarketSpy. And that's just one person. We have a couple of hundred of them. Just can't remember top of my head. It's early morning. No, it's not. It's like 1 p.m. Anyways. You get what I'm saying? Kathy Wood, 300% return on portfolio. If your system is not consistent and gives you bigger winners than losers, then you don't have a system. And this is damn near every day that we have a trade. Actually, I'm going to start capturing all of my trades, post analysis, like all these damn YouTubers do. And after that, they'll show you, oh, look what I did. Except I'll do it live. But not live as in go live and do it, because sometimes those can turn into 8-hour, 10-hour, 12-hour sessions. So I'd rather do a video, cut it up, and show you like, look, we'll start from zero. And we'll get to our target, close the trade, just so you can see. Don't forget about the affiliate program, MarketSpy, up to 25%. The ROI on that investment is enough to allow you to run your own campaign, pay for a website, pay for ads, whatever, and still make a lot of money, full-time money on top of it with the payouts that we have, which is the highest in the industry, in the space, across any product in the history of the internet. 25%. If you're not catching up with the math, you're not a hustler, you're missing out big time. Anyone who ever wanted to work full-time for themselves would see an opportunity here. This is not going to last. It's the kickoff sort of, hey, we have an affiliate program, opening ceremony, 25% off thing. It's not going to be there forever. So get in while you can, because you can probably make more money advertising the world's best system to people who need it, while I still have the energy and the willingness to share and give it away. And you can make a full-time living, and it could probably be more than you trading per sale. So think about it and don't sleep on it. Hustle your way through. Sideway income it, main income it, but whatever you do, take advantage of it. We have given away thousands of dollars worth of cash prizes for funs and giggles. And we'll continue to do so. We reward top traders, performers, people who share, contribute to the community. It's noticed. You will not be left out. We have rescued people's underwater positions, covered their losses. We've done a lot of things. And our members can attest to that. But if you're not promoting this kind of utopia here, the best crypto channel in the world, then I don't know. That's a naughty thing to do. Just sit on the sidelines. So get in on it. MarketSpy.net. Find out how you can start making money passively when you're not trading. You can just stack up, add to your account, make it count. Anyways, not de-risking. Great idea. Not hitting our targets. Probably going lower. Still got bids sitting below. And ultimately, we're looking to tap 40. This is hopefully like just around there somewhere. Yeah. Sounds like a good idea. And we have a yeah, this is where you buy. This is where you buy. 1 hour and 43 minutes. Yeah, just slightly lower, but this is a buy territory right now. A territorial trade. It's a buy territory right now. Yeah. Momentum is a little too strong for my tastes. I think this candle is yeah, we can get it filled, and then that window here should give us a nice bounce back on the next candle. Not should, will. Watch. Stop and market maker. This is enough for us to get a bounce back. We're going to de-risk 70% of the position at entry. Always on limit. Make sure you don't deploy marketing as part of your strategy, because you'll never come out in profit if you use market. It's not worth it. Why are we paying to the exchange when we can get paid for executing these trades, helping the market? Doesn't make any sense. So, and actually, just by opening these trades and closing them, you're getting paid already. So that could be enough to offset any prolonged holding or risks associated with holding the price over the your risk threshold. So right now it's 0.02. This trade is practically done. We just got to exit this position right now. We have diverging evidence of a bounce back up to the EMA, or the previous top of this candle, so we will hold it until then. Now I did have a little situation here where we had way too many buy orders that were not supposed to be there, but somehow ended up being there. We de-risked a little bit. There we go. 5%, cancel the rest. So now you have 5,000 contracts. Just in case, before we do anything else, yeah, forget about it. Let's go and put a stop at entry. And we don't want to mess with it because it's too volatile. It wants to go lower. Actually, there's an opportunity to make money scalping this even further down. So right now, getting rid of this is 100% ATR sell on 1 hour. That's 400 points. I don't know if it's going to jump by that much, but looking at these candles, probably. So we're up for the day at 1.14. We're taking profits on the wick as price fluctuates. This is more than enough to make up for your daily target that you want to see, and this is how you get there. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, once we are stopped out from this trade, this is now a runner. If we were to assume that this was the wick, this should kind of push a little higher, maybe back down to EQ over here. If not, it gets stopped out. We are out of the trade. We're done for the day. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and share this with your fellow traders who are out there following inferior, mediocre, legacy trading education channels that rinse and repeat, and never give you anything that's consistent, filled with speculation and just outdated information that is not practical in today's world, especially for a new asset class like Bitcoin. You want to trade it with the best. Cryptopocalypse now. I'll see you guys later.